Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rahul. I hope you guys are staying safe wherever you are. So this is my Hampi series videos going on. This is the 5th video of that series. I hope you have watched my previous 4 videos. I have come to a place now which is of great historical importance. There are like 3 to 4 different places which I will show you now. Number 1, which I am standing here right now, is the King's Audience Hall, or you can also call it as a Raj Darbar. So king used to sit there on the throne, and people used to sit all over here. So this is the King's Audience Hall. That's the number 1 place here. Now let's go ahead and see आगे क्या है. Okay, so the second place of interest here is the secret chambers. So down under where that guy is going, right, you can see there are secret chambers where those days the kings and his mantris used to sit and discuss important matters related to the kingdom. So secret chamber. Going down there, it's a steep step. It's a lot of dark here. I don't think you will see anything here, but this used to be the secret chamber. See here, some parts are broken, but this used to be like a secret chamber where people used to sit and discuss important matters. Secret chamber. Okay, so couple of places we have seen. One is the Raj Darbar, King's Audience Hall, and second one is the secret chamber here. Now before we go there, let me tell you some interesting fact. You guys know about the Vijayadashami, the Mysore Dasera festival, right, in Karnataka? Very famous one. So in Vijayanagara dynasty, the actual Vijayadashami, actual Navratri festival originated here in this place, in this very place, and this is known as the Mahanavami Dhaba. Maybe my pronunciation is not correct, but this is where it originated. Everything started here, and then from here it went to Mysuru. So let's go now to the third place of interest here. I hope you guys are liking this uncut version, like the raw video, because I wanted to give you the feel that you are actually here walking and visiting these beautiful places. sun is also there. Now this is an interesting place which we are going to. This is the Pushkarni. Let me get there, I'll tell you more about it. So this thing you see here, right, this one, right from here it goes all the way there, and then there, all the way there again. Here also you see, this is nothing but the aqueduct. In those days he used to transport the water to each and every corner, and then finally I think the water used to go and get collected in that Pushkarni. And let me go there. So this is the aqueduct which I was talking about. Water used to come and collect here, and this is the Pushkarni. And guys, this was, I think, recently excavated. It was all the time hidden inside the ground. It was recently excavated. Look at this beautiful structure. Beautiful. That's the aqueduct that goes there all the way. It's beautiful. So this is the third place, the Pushkarni. You can see the water inside. आता आपण काय काय बघितलं ते सगळ्यात पहिले होतं ना तिथे आपण वरती चढलेलो. दॅट इज अ किंग ऑडियन्स हॉल. दिस इज लाईक ए राज दरबार. तिथे राज दरबार भरायचा. सेकंड आपण बघितलं ते प्लॅटफॉर्म सारखं, आणि हे इथे ॲक्च्युअल नवरात्री चालू झाली जी आता म्हैसूरमध्ये आहे ना, म्हैसूर पॅलेस. ॲक्च्युअल नवरात्री ऑरिजिनेटेड हिअर with all the processions, elephants, big elephants, decorations and all. And now what we saw was the Pushkarni. This was recently excavated. आत्तापर्यंत हे अंडरग्राउंड होतं, कोणाला माहिती नव्हतं. आत्ता गुगलमध्ये चेक कर. आय डोंट नो. नॉट लास्ट इयर यार. I had come here 2 years ago. That time it was there. This is how we have covered the places till now. Now I think the last place which is here is this one. Again the Mahanavami Dabba. We'll see some inscriptions written there, and that inscriptions prove that Navratri originated here. See these carvings, elephants, horses. बघ इथे पण आहेत elephants. Carvings. Some carvings are destroyed. Some this ones, see. तिकडे जाऊन बोर्ड वाचून येऊया मग वरती. तू वरती जा, मी येतो तिथं बोर्ड वाचून. Okay, so this is the Mahanaomi Dibba. This pyramidal 3-tiered stone platform rising to a height of 8 meters is located to the northeast of the royal enclosure. It was one of the most important ceremonial structures of royal use, built in granite and subsequently encased in sculptured schist stone. It is dated to 16th century AD. The terrace platform is nearly 35 square meters and has an approach flight of steps on the east, west and south. Southern flight of steps has a sculptured. The southern flight of steps opens on the west and the western flight are located almost in the center of the platform, and the two eastern flight of steps have common chamber which opens on the east. Each tier of the platform has sculptured moldings in the typical Vijayanagara style of architecture. The lower tier has low relief sculptural friezes depicting the socio-cultural activities of the time. So it indicates the presence of pavilion. And this is the map that you can see. The King's Audience Hall, which we visited first, then the secret chamber, then the Pushkarni, some administrative blocks, and then the public bath, etc. So beautiful. Made up of granite. So we are on top of this Mahanaomi Dibba. So from here you can see everything actually. That is the King's Audience Hall, also known as the Raj Darbar. These are various administrative blocks used to be there in those times. Secret chamber, and this side is the Pushkarni. अभी लोग यहाँ रहते हैं तो पानी का इंतजाम तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Aqueduct, Pushkarni, beautiful. That's the Matanga Hill. So there are steps here towards the east which go down from both directions. There and here. Such a beautiful place. So I hope you guys like this video number 5 of the Hampi series. Keep watching #Hampi, #Rich Heritage of India. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, if you're new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Raul in Wonderland. There are a lot of videos, a lot of action coming up, and I hope you also watch my old videos. So thank you for your time. Thanks for watching this video number 5. I'll continue my series, the Hampi series. Keep watching. Take care, be safe, and keep smiling.